Hello friends, very good evening. Myself Bala here. I am welcome you all to my YouTube channel Talent Traders. And this video I'm going to talk about the new candlesticks pattern. That is nothing but the meeting line candlesticks, where we are going to follow bullish meeting line and bearish meeting line. So it's a single candlesticks reversal pattern, so where we are going to use our intraday and positional trading strategies. And I'm getting a lot of comments on my YouTube channel, and we are reaching right now 2600 subscribers. I was thankful to you all. Because of you only this was possible, and thanks for again to reaching our 2600 subscribers right now. And this meeting line, so where we are going to trade, how we can do a reversal pattern at the lowest level as well as highest level. So in this video I'm going to create a code for a bullish meeting line, and also I'm going to check it out how it's going to be backtest. Just watch the video full and getting some idea about what is the bullish line, a bullish meeting line or a bearish meeting line. So instead of while taking a naked charts, so for example if you are watching any charts in naked, so we may not find out what kind of candlesticks pattern it is forming right now, right? So but if you have the scanners and screeners that helping you to find out what the kind of candlesticks it forming you right now. So for example if you are go for a nifty, this is what happened. Okay, so let's go for a nifty. I'll take for a nifty 50, and yes, it is a 1 hour chart. Is there any candlesticks pattern can you able to find out? It is quite difficult to find out what kind of candlesticks form, but you can check that there is a big reversal candle where it is formed by the recent low, where the market is started reversing from the 11th August at the lowest level, where you can see there is a 11th August where it is forms the lowest level, and from there 16,200 it moves towards 16,698. So where we can find out if a naked wave you are finding out here, let's see there is a harami kind of candlesticks pattern forms at this point. Again the doji candle or a spinning top like a candle where it is forms, so we will easily find out a great trade opportunity. That is my main idea, where I am going to create a lot of videos about this candlestick scanner. So once I complete the candlesticks pattern, so I am going to plan my trade and live. So we are making daily live session, so based on that, so we can how I am going to take my trades. So initially, so we are following that candlesticks pattern. Okay, so here we are following on my previous videos only the single candlesticks pattern. We are discussing you right now how we can effectively use that single candlesticks pattern, that we are going to discuss on each and every video and also in the live market. So if you are new to my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe, and whatever the scanner, so we are providing the link in my YouTube channel, so you can follow the link on the Telegram channel. You can join with my Telegram to get that code. Okay, most of the subscribers are asking about send me the code. So what I am doing, I was creating a channel, so there I am going to post my link, so you can make use of it and join the channel to get regular updates. Okay, so bullish meeting line, so let's open that bullish meeting line, what it is. Can you able to see that there is a bullish meeting line? So the day one, which is a negative candle, and importantly, so previously the stock was in downtrend, and the negative candle which forms, and the next day market opens lower than the previous candle, and it started moving up, and it was closing is equal to the previous day's close and today's close. But what is the previous day close and today's close? What is the difference? This was a red candle and this was a green candle. Both are meeting at the same point. That is why it is called as a meeting line. And this is what the bullish reversal candlesticks pattern, where we can use for our positional as well as intraday trade. Whenever market breaches that high, we can go buy. Just a second. Just a second. Just a second. There is a meeting between this close and that next day close. That is why meeting line which forms Just a second, I have the call right now. So this one is called as bullish meeting line. So how we can interpret it or how we can do the trade. So whether if breaks this high, so we can go for a long, or mainly this is what the point where we can go for a long at this positionally. Okay, so that is what main important. And if you check the bearish meeting line, so where it's look how it looks like here. Can you able to see that the bearish meeting line? So the trend, previous trend is uptrend and the market meets at the point, but the next day open higher and it is closed on the same level. So the both the closing price, today's close and tomorrow's close, are today's close and yesterday's close are meeting at a point. So that is called a meeting line, where we are going to use whether it is a bullish meeting line or it may be a bearish meeting line. So we will create a code for a bearish meeting line first. Bullish meeting line. So how it became and how it looks. Okay. So what is the condition? So we are going to create a scan. So now you can go through that Google and try it out. What is a bullish meeting line and everything. So I just tell you simple example. So what is exactly bullish or bearish meeting line? So I'm just going to create a code how it became in futures. Just I'm going to select first conditions that today's latest open is greater than equal to today's candle should be green candle, right? So what we are going to take, that close price of latest candle is greater than open. So that is gives us a that one tell us that candle is green, right? This candle is green. The latest close is greater than the latest open. So this candle is looks green right now. And so we have red candle for a previous day. So here the close price of previous day, that is what 1 day ago, is less than that open price, right? And so should be 1 day ago less than. So yesterday should be a red candle and today should be a green candle. So let's check it out whether it is working right. So let's say Dr. Lalpath. So yesterday it is a red and today it should be a green. Can you check that, Dr. Let's go for SC and Dr. Lalpath. You see that yesterday is a red candle and today it was a green candle. Got it? Today is a red and today is the green candle. So we get some idea. So now we have the scanner. So that is looks great, right? And what should we are going to do? So this is the 2 days candle we are creating. Okay, the 2 days candle we are creating. And again, what I'm going to do, so the yesterday's, most of the time the price is open greater than the previous day high, right? It is greater than previous day high. So let's code that the today's open, okay, the latest open is greater than, the latest open is less than, will normally go for a low of 1 day ago. You check that there is no stock for filter, right? So whether we are right or wrong, so we first save the scan. So we will go for a bullish meeting line on daily. Okay, let's copy that, we'll paste it here and submit. So now it may give you the backtest result. Well, let's say for example yesterday, that is 17th August, we got some stock. So Bharat Forge, let's go for a Bharat Forge. Bharat Forge, yesterday is a red candle on 17th. sorry, 17th, right? Okay, just check it again. The previous day should be a red candle and the next day should be, just wait, it's down, and we are making live. So let's check what is the condition. And Biocon on 17th, right? Take Biocon at 17.8. So this one, previous day should be a red and next day should be a green, but this latest open must be less than the low of one day ago. So here what we are taking, latest open is less than one day ago low. Just to open, but it is not exactly showing that. This the close and this one is the open. The low is 369.3, where it is making a next day open is 369.65. Let's check Biocon future, where it is forming a same. This one 373, this 369.55 is the low, 369.8. So where it not showing the one day ago low, the latest open is less than equal to, go for Biocon on 17th date. Sorry, we are checking on hourly time frame, so we must take on daily time frame. 17th August, let's take the low of the candle is somewhere around 366.6. the next day open is 367. so what we are exactly going to take here, one day ago low, latest open should be one day ago low. Let's move it top, find any stocks, same one, it's coming Biocon Maruti on Biocon on the day where it is present, and 17.8. so on 17.8 this is the day, just open by on the close level, close is 66.67. coming to Biocon equity, yes, we got it. So the low for the day is, previous day low is 66.20. the next day it is opened by 66.05, exactly the low compared to previous day. It forms a lower than the previous day's low. So that is what a technical gap down which forms at this candlesticks pattern. Okay, so now we are doing right. Let's move to move this one down. Okay, latest open is less than equal to one day ago low. So that is what the next day candle is open a lower, or it's showing the weakness, but end of the day it recovers and closed by the previous close. And now what we are going to do, and the latest close price exactly equals towards the one day ago close. Could you get that? What is the exact point? So let's look at the time chart at this time. It is a bullish candle, and this is a bearish candle. So where it forms a reversal kind of pattern, but that previous day's close and today's close both are same, but the candle is different for a previous day and today, right? So let's scan for right now. If any stocks which forms only one stocks at 11th August, that is idea. So don't go for this stocks. And previously National Aluminium on 10 to almost February, right? So it is not giving you such opportunity. So this is what exactly. So let's go for a equity. So because this is one we are taking for a bearish, bullish reversal at the lowest level, then go for a lot of stocks. So we'll filter again the close price greater than are equal to per 300 or 200. So this one filter out those stock which is value is more than 200, that will filter out. Now you can check that on 16th August Supreme Industries which forms that kind of pattern. So let's say Supreme Industries, let's say where it forms, yes, on 13th, this was given by 14th August, that is a bullish meeting line. 16th August we got it, this is the 16th August. Previous day candle should be red, and next day it opened lower and closed equal to, this closes 2039.85, the same close. This is looks great bullish meeting line, but the stock breaks above that level, so we can go for a long, but it is not giving you such an opportunity. So there any other stocks? On 10th August we got liquid piece, that is not good one, and previously July, okay, this one not giving you such a great opportunity. We will find very least amount of the stock where if you're taking this much of candlesticks, that will give you such a great kind of opportunity where we are going to make using that. And we will change over if you got any futures, right? So this is the exact code, so what we are creating. And 1 day ago close is that in 1 day ago open, so that should be a red candle, and let us open as a red green candle, and it should be 1 day ago low. Instead of 1 day ago low, we will go for a 1 day ago close. Okay, it should be open below the close, not a technical gap down, which is a little bit gap down. If you find this, we will be getting some stocks. In futures, let's show July 14th we have Bharati Airtel, correct? Futures July 14th we have Bharati Airtel. Let's go for that, and we are mentioning the stock value is more than 200, right? That is what we are doing. So instead of that, we will go for a stock value is above 100. If you get any more, let's see. So only few stocks. So Bharati Airtel, which forms the kind of pattern at 14.7. So let's check it out. Bharati Airtel, how it looks great. So where we got a simple opportunity to make profit. Bharati Airtel, 14th of 14.7, right? Where it is 14.7. 14.7. This is August, July. Yeah, this one. Can you see, able to see that 14th August Bharati Airtel, where it is forms a, this closes 530.05, and this one is 535.05. So exactly the candlesticks which forms at this level, and whenever it gives you breakout, so now you can see that there is a breakout where it is happen. So what is the risk for the trade? So it is a rare candlesticks pattern. Whenever it forms, so we have a great opportunity on that. So the entry point is 535. The 522 is where our stop loss. But initially it gives you buy entry from 535. It moves to 543, and next trade it moved 544. So 10 rupees is generated. So we are not focusing to take a 10 rupees profit, but you can check that how it gives you such a great result on this candlesticks pattern. If you are trying 2 to 3 times, so this is what a bullish pattern. Initially it gives you 10 rupees, and after on 20th it may be trigger your stop loss, and again it gives you buy opportunity. After that, market never came to the point, and it moves towards, from that 535 it went up to 635, somewhere around 100 rupees. That gives you such a great profit using the candlesticks pattern. So that is called a bullish meeting line. So even the bullish meeting line is more powerful when it is open below previous day's close, but previous day low. So but we are to find out that, we are going to check some stocks which is closing below previous day low. On 31st May we have the stock Tata Motors. Let's check it out. Tata Motors daily time frame, that is what, somewhere May month of 31st May, I think this one. Can you able to see that? And it's also be doji candle. So doji candle previous close is 13318.75. This is also 318. 75. Let's look at the two stocks where it is given you such a great opportunity from this low to this high. So 324, 312. That is what our entry point. 324 to 312. So where we have taken the 324 and it moves towards to 361. Somewhere around 40 rupees. It moved with the somewhere around 12 rupees. That is what the beauty of this candlesticks pattern. So bullish meeting line. So if you wish, you can use. So just go for some stock which is forming recently on 6th of August, one stock which is uh, Mangalam Cement, right? Let's check that 6th of August. G 6th August forms that kind of pattern. I think this one, it forms that kind of pattern. The close is 499.25 exactly. Here, this one gives you some such a opportunity. This is happening on 11th August. That is what here. So whenever it breaks the high 167, 166.4 and it moves towards 186. There is an opportunity where you can change your equity also to do short-term trading or kind of things if you can use this code. So that is what the power of bullish meeting will not happen regularly. So let's try to do that with hourly. I think the time is going up. We will finish within a 5-10 minutes. The longer the video, 1 hour time frame. So hourly, how we can get that one as -1 candle. So we are going to take just previous candle. That was we are expecting the previous candle which happens, and here 1 hour 60 hour here 1 hour, but it's -1 previous candle. -1. If you like these videos, just this one is not daily. Latest close is greater than 100. So if you run the scan, so we will find lot of stocks. So this is equity. So instead of equity, we can go for a futures. So if you any opportunity which present on 1 hour basis and something, lot of stock is coming. Every 1 minute it shows. Any mistake we made when we pass out. Exide India's 1 minute. Check Exide India 16 minutes time frame. Yes, I think this one 163 160, but this was forming by 250. So let's check that is there any error on that, why it is showing you the backtrace result as like this. Go for that, and we, so here it shows only 2. Okay. Yeah, here it's a 1 minute candle, so we will go for a 1 hour candle, right? So we are running scan right now, so we will, it is loading right now, so we made a mistake here. You got it. So at 18th 2:15, so previously what are the stocks which forms at 10 a.m. on 11th August. This is what recent one, 12th August. So we got some stocks in the Petro on 12th August. Let's check it out. In the Petro 16 minutes time frame on the time of 12/8 2:15. 12/8. This one. Can you able to see that? This one closes 255.3, 255.3. So that is also be doji candle. So where we can try to take a entry at this level also, because it is forming at a day low. That is another opportunity. So whenever it breaks above 253, it and within a 2 hours it moves towards 258. Right. So this is what the candlestick pattern which gives you. So that is what 1 hour also it is working well. And you can just make use of it. And thank you for watching, and we will see the next video about bearish meeting line. So it is same like that, we have some changes on that. That's about today's video, and I hope this may be a useful video. If you are new to my channel, just subscribe the channel to get more update. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you very much.